Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll show you how leading dating platforms like OkCupid use interactive relationship quizzes to engage their audience, and how you can build a similar experience in minutes using Outgrow. On its website, OkCupid runs seasonal quizzes like "What's your dating rhythm?", a simple yet powerful tool that asks visitors questions such as, "When you meet someone you like, how fast do you message back? What's your ideal timeline for a second date? How long do your relationships typically last? How quickly do you usually catch feelings? When do you like to talk about exclusivity?" Based on the responses, OkCupid instantly delivers personalized results. This is personalization at scale. The good news? You can build a similar experience with Outgrow in seconds. Start by selecting AI marketing tools from the navigation bar, then choose All-in-One AI marketing tools and click Try Now. Next, describe what you want to create. For example, create a quiz to discover your ideal soulmate. Outgrow's AI instantly generates a complete quiz framework, including questions, answer options, and recommended outcome structures. Think of this as a strong strategic starting point, one you'll refine with your own domain expertise. If you'd like changes, simply describe them conversationally, and the AI will update the quiz accordingly. Once you're satisfied, type "Save It" to lock in the framework. You'll then have two options: preview the quiz experience directly or open it in Outgrow's full builder for advanced customization. For this demo, we'll head into the builder. This is where your quiz evolves from a template into a tailored brand experience. Add a heading, subheading, and CTA button, and update visuals with high-resolution imagery that reflects your brand identity. Questions and answers. Simply click any element to edit it in place. Fast and intuitive. Design each result thoughtfully. For an ideal soulmate quiz, you might include outcomes like the adventurous soul, the intellectual connection, the compassionate companion, the humorous heartthrob, the ambitious ally. Populate each outcome with relevant, specific content. The goal is for every result to feel genuinely useful, not generic. This is where you define which combination of answers routes a user to which result. Configured correctly, this ensures every participant receives a personalized, data-driven recommendation, never a one-size-fits-all response. Head to the Design tab for the finishing touches. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, select custom typography, and adjust layouts as needed. The goal is for your quiz to feel like a seamless, native part of your digital presence, not a third-party embed. Before publishing, use preview mode to walk through the full quiz end-to-end. Test every question, verify each outcome, and confirm the experience feels polished and intentional. Once you're confident, hit Go Live. You can then share your quiz via a direct link or embed it on your website using the embed option. In just a few steps, you've built the kind of interactive, personalized quiz experience that leading brands like OkCupid rely on to engage users, capture intent data, and drive meaningful results. Ready to build yours? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start creating today. Sign up to try it now